What is up, everyone? All right, we're back. We're at the 180. You guys saw in the last video, we finally had a big win. We finally got this thing running for the very first time. I went crazy this week, finalized everything, and we got it running. It sounds incredible, but we ended off the last video having to shut it down early because the turbo feed line I got was defective, I guess, and it was just spraying oil, and it was a mess. So now, hear me out.
Turn the key.
Overnighted one, put it in. Where's the key? Can't find the damn key. And hold up. There we go, baby. This is so loud. I did not think it was gonna be this loud. Go in the back, Jody. Show them how loud this thing is.
My ears, Jim.
It's so loud. We're probably gonna have to put a muffler on this thing. Do you see all that torque? Look at it. It's gonna be spicy, dude. Oh, the Garage S0 SR20, dude. It sounds so good right now. Give it a little chirp.
This feels right.
SR20 chopping with a Dunkin' cup in hand. I like that.
It's accurate.
It's all right. Fresh engine. We got a breaker in. We can't let it just sit in there idle. You got to give it the RPMs on a fresh engine. All right. We got to get these rings to seat. We don't have much time today, but I want to have one more last win to kind of end the week, and that is I want to see this thing move under its own power. That's the next big hurdle, right? It's very exciting stuff. And once this thing can move under its own power, it's basically ready for the dyno, which is really cool because I know that's the big thing. I hope you guys are excited just to see what this engine package can do. And the rest of the car will just kind of, then it's interior and paint and stuff, and we'll get that done. But all right, so what do we have left? Last step that always sucks. We got to bleed the brakes.
I'll pump.
It's that moment to find out what brake line I forgot to tighten.
All of them.
All? No. You want to take bets?
Back left.
Back left? You think I forgot to tighten it?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Hold.
Mint. Pump it up, Jordy. How's it feel?
Feels like we got brakes.
That's sick.
How's the clutch feel?
Nice. Stiff.
Stiff.
Stiff is good.
Love it stiff.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you want some dunks, man?
Dude, you ruined my coffee.
This will cleanse the palate.
Yeah, it'll ruin my insides.
Not much worse than that, though.
True.
This is a really good point in your project to check if you put fluid in your diff, because it's so easy to forget, especially if the car has been like a long-term project.
What about the trans, Jim?
Well, the trans, I know I did, but definitely check your trans too. You shouldn't, I always say this in the startup videos, but I forgot to, but you should always make sure that there's fluid in your trans when you start it up, because even though you're not driving it, it is rotating in the inside, so you don't want that thing to be rotating dry. I've seen a lot of guys do first startup with no fluid in their trans, and will it destroy the trans? No. But is it good for it? No. I'm not going through the FRS debacle where we're all like, I thought you filled it up. I thought you filled it up. When no one put gear oil in the diff of the FRS, and that's why that first one locked up on us. Dude, it lasted like a full dyno session and everything with no oil in it, which is kind of crazy.
Guess it's not that harmful.
Yeah. All right. 5 minutes to put diff fluid in, an hour and a half to find a steering wheel to put in here. I forgot there was no steering wheel in the car. This is such an awkward level of stuff done right now because there actually is an insane amount done on the car, but it doesn't look it. So to me, it looks like we barely started the project, but it's actually like...
I mean, body panels and glass, and it's a full car.
Interior body panels and glass, and it's basically done. I mean, it doesn't look it, but all the wiring's basically done, which is, I mean, this is it. This is the entire chassis harness.
It's a whole ass car.
It's just weird that it's a whole ass car because it looks so far from it. But knowing underneath and everything is good, yeah, crazy. This one was in my green S14 in Japan before we changed to the 6-speed transmission. That would suck. Oof. I mean, it still has to tune the damn thing, all right? the same clutch in the purple car, but it feels more aggressive. This, we use the tilt-in delay valve on the chase-based clutch line, because when you get a chase-based clutch line, you can spec it out to have a delay valve in it, which is really nice. And like just pulling off, you can feel like it actually helps.
Fantastic SR S13. I mean, look at it.
So sick.
It's sick.
It's crazy, like how much progress got done in like the last week. Like it went from just being like this like shell to like a drive. It's clearly a driving car right now.
Dude, the noises it's making, bricked.
Bricked up?
Bricked
I
up.
love it, dude. And it's sick to be in a right-hand drive S chassis, because I've never really besides my S15s, like I've never really had them, you know?
Yeah.
It feels different in a 13. Yo, hop in, come on. Sun's out. Doors off, bro. If we had seats in this thing, I would definitely just put a plate on, because yo, it's beautiful out.
Beautiful. We'll get sunglasses.
Dude, I would kill to take a cruise by the beach in this thing right now.
It's like we're in a dune buggy.
We're in a dune buggy. Oh! It's really hard when there's no
Yeah.
seat. This is so sick right now. Oh, what did we lose? Something metal just went flying, whatever. No fluids, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Imagine just cruising. It's so hard to not like. This is amazing, dude. Why do we never test drive cars like this?
This should be the new norm.
This should be the new norm. Everything looks great.
Good.
Oh. Fuck. It is so hard to use the clutch when you have no seat. I see something a little smoky. It might just be
Take a look, dude.
things being hot for the first time, but
First heat cycle.
this thing looks nuts right now.
Come on, dude. This is a proud friend moment.
I'm hyped. I'll never get sick of this, dude. I don't care how many cars we build. Like, the first time you pull this thing out the shop and see it in the sun and like just...
It looks really cool.
Because it goes from like this pile of parts and these dreams to something that like
Look at it.
moves itself. You know what I mean? Like,
It's really good.
it's so sick. If you don't get hyped when you get to this point, dude, get a new hobby, all right? Like, this is so sick. Still so much work to do, but like, that's so fucking cool.
It's so cool.
I don't see any puddles, so I say we're pretty good. I can't believe it's outside right now, dude.
This is my new favorite car.
What do you mean it's your new favorite car?
Yeah.
It's got good energy, doesn't it?
It's everything about it.
What was
That's
that?
how it is. Everything about this thing is, if I had the money and a vision, this would be the vision.
That
honestly.
makes me happy. I like
it's
that.
So good.
Makes me happy.
I love this thing.
Well, hopefully the rest of the thing is executed to Geordie standards.
Oh, I'm sure it will.
It's nice when your boys get hyped for you. I mean, this is so sick to see. All right. Damn. I feel like I just need like a six pack or something and just sit and stare at it. You know what I mean?
You need a Boss coffee. You'd fit right in right now. Chilling. Sit on the curb, look at your accomplishment.
It's just like, I always see it as like the Hank Hill scene when they're all just sitting there drinking a beer on the side of the road. Just, yep. Let me hop back in my Jeep, bro. I want to drive this on the road so bad right now. If this was in Florida, this would be totally legal.
What is this, a 2022 Wrangler?
Imagine picking up a chick in this thing right now. Imagine what her dad would think. He'd probably think you're cool. He'd be like, yeah, take my daughter in that thing. really bad.
Yeah, it feels like it just. Oh!
What are you doing?
Fucking it's a Jeep thing, huh? It sounds spicy.
It is spicy.
It feels spicy.
It's wild. It feels like it just wants to take off, even at like partial throttle. It's kind of nuts.
Well, I would imagine the high compression, the turbo, is gonna hit hard and fast. It probably has no lag. You can make it 400 plus horsepower and have all the torque.
Yeah, I mean, I built this thing to be really punchy, and I think it's gonna be silly. I wish we had time to dyno it today, dude. Whatever. Today we're taking our win. Oh!
Maybe a resonator.
Maybe a resonator, yeah.
It just makes it sound less tractory.
Less tractory?
Sounds,
Sounds like Japan.
Although it's kind of tractory.
Tractory?
I don't agree with that one.
You're causing havoc out here.
Yeah, I should remember that
This
it's
thing
really
is super loud.
Yeah, I am just kind of revving it for the last 20 minutes of the fucking clock.
I mean, it sounds cool, but I wouldn't for a track car,
Yeah.
not a street car. Yeah, your head would pop.
What do you think?
How does it feel?
Sick.
It's so sick to see this thing
You got no
outside.
seat, that's crazy.
I'll never get.
I just noticed that.
It's such. I would take it to the beach like this, dude. It'd be such a good time. Chilling.
Beach cruiser, yeah.
Isn't it cool to see it outside?
Yeah,
Different.
it's fucking.
I
dope.
like-
Besides,
I like the skeleton.
It's about the inside that matters.
Well, now it's nice. Now, like the rest of the stuff in the car, I don't have to jack the car up anymore. Like everything underneath is done.
That's true.
So, put it in the corner. Put all little fancy bits in it. Get to decide what color seats I want to do in this thing.
How does it feel?
It feels like it wants to take off. I'm excited. I'm really excited to tune this thing. Yeah.
very simple.
I'll never get sick of this stuff, huh?
No, because you can do it so many different ways,
Oh, for sure.
and this isn't even the end.
Not
There's
at all.
going to be just new stuff coming out and new technology. SRs will live forever.
If I have anything to do with it, yeah. I'm hyped. All right, enough ooh and on. Give it a shot. Try and drive
All
it.
right, let me.
You're talking all
Come
this
on.
smack. Give it a shot. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Kai. Get in there. Go for a date. Come on. Take the girl out somewhere nice. All right.
Somewhere nice. Alright.
Oh! Damn it. I was talking a lot of shit before.
You gotta like hold on to the pillar. It's so hard because like it goes and it makes you shake, so it makes you hit the gas and you get stuck in this motion of just like going back and forth. It's cool to see, dude. It's just so cool to see that car moving around. It's like okay, Jordy. It's not tuned yet. What'd you think?
I jolted forward a lot. It's
I'll tell you what I think. I need this.
I'm so hyped you love it.
Oh my god.
That was
Jimmy,
very
if this thing had a seat in it, I'm driving it home. Sorry. This thing
Super fun.
is so sick. It is gonna be so fun.
I can't wait for you to drive it.
I'm literally shaking just from going 100 feet in the parking lot.
I love that. I love that. Thank you for sharing this energy with me. Like
Like just the punchiness of just barely getting on it, it feels like it's gonna hit like a freight train.
Oh, I'm so pumped for it.
Everyone loves SR20s.
I feel like
you heard that?
You didn't even get on it.
No,
Like, I feel
because
like
it's
I
not
got on it
tuned and
more
it's
than-
on pump gas.
It's okay.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
I lost my hat.
Oh, this thing's gonna be so sweet. S chassis, best chassis.
I get why everyone says it now. It's cool.
SR20 God's motor.
I know a lot of people think the multiple car thing's a little silly, but how cool is this gonna be? That looks so sick. The black coupe is looking at me like, really, dude? Come on.
Yeah, we got to do something about him.
All right, well, you guys have heard me yap a bunch, but it feels incredible to be able to end the week off with such a win. We got the thing started and then instantly was able to drive the thing around, which is huge. So, I mean, getting a car to run and then getting to actually move it under its own power are two different hurdles, and I'm pumped. Having Jordy here to be excited with me is the best feeling, and I'm excited for this one. I know it might seem like it's just another same thing to you guys, but you'll see. Very pumped on this one, and I'm stoked just to have some good wins. So now basically everything underneath is done, which is huge. Besides obviously, you know, an alignment and stuff like that. I just gotta get the power steering stuff on in the engine bay, tune it, and the drivetrain is good to go, which is huge. I mean, absolutely huge. Now the big thing is we have to get the interior in it, which is exciting because this will add a lot of character to the car. Got to get some seats, fit the panels, get it all in, get the 15 dash fitted, and that will be dope. And then just throw the body panels on and paint it. So it's a lot of work, but it's not a lot of work, and it's something that I don't have to like feel like I need to get done right away, but I'm really pumped for it. But hope you guys enjoyed it. But here's the thing. Next video, we're gonna be starting off the week fresh. We're gonna hit the ground running next week, and we have some big stuff to do. So the big thing is, the last major part of the Pro Car is finally here. The thing we've been waiting on for the longest time, and that is the chassis harness. Once we get the chassis harness in, we get to button it up, get this thing running. Once we get it running, we get on the ground, so we get on the dyno, we can tune it, we can set it up, we can paint it, and we can use it, which is absolutely huge. Like, honestly, I almost can't even fathom hearing this thing run right now. Do we start the week off getting right into this with the chassis harness, or do we take that first day and give this thing a quick tune so we can finally see what it's gonna do? So let me know what you guys think. Either way, next week we got a lot of big wins ahead of us, and I'm excited for it. But I'm gonna stop rambling on because I gotta get home, edit this video, and then head down to New Jersey so I could watch the FD round at Englishtown, which is like my favorite round. So for now, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys very shortly.
It's sad because I want it.